Alright, number 8, we're going to do this one with synthetic. So we're going to take the opposite of our bottom number, so it's a positive 7, we're going to use a negative 7. It's going to be your box number. And then the coefficients of the numerator would be a positive 1 on the x squared, a negative 1 for the x, and then a negative 58. Alright, and then we bring the first number straight down, multiply, we get a negative 7. We add these, we get a negative 8. And then negative 7, negative 8 gives us a positive 56. And we get a negative 2. Okay, so our problem started with an x squared for the highest degree. On the bottom we were subtracting off 1x. So this starts with x. So we have 1x minus 8. And then this minus 2 over our divisor, which was x plus 7, will be our remainder. So this is how you do it when you do it with synthetic. You just got to go back and add the x's at the end. Okay, so we have x minus 8 minus division 2 and then x plus 7. So whatever the sign of these numbers, that's how you know what the sign of these terms will be. Okay, this one will be best with long division since we have coefficients on our divisor. So top n, so that will give us 8x squared plus 38x plus 47. And then the bottom goes out, so 4x plus 9. Alright, so you focus on the first terms. That's the ones you want to be the same. So 4 times 2 will give you 8. And then we have 1x. We need another one to make 2, so just one more x. So 2x times 4x will give us 8x squared. Alright, now we're going to multiply. 2x times 4x, 8x squared. And then 2x times 9 will give us 18x. Alright, change sign, so this will become negative. This will also become a negative. Put a negative right here. And then combine. That cancels. 38 minus 18 will give you a 20x. And then bring down the 47. Now we want 4x and 20x to be the same, so we got to multiply by 5 positive. So if we multiply by 5, we get 20x. 9 and 5 give us 45. They're both positive, but change the sign, it will be negative and negative. That will cancel. This will give you a remainder of 2. So your remainder we're going to add, because it's positive, 2 over your divisor, 4x plus 9. And then this is your solution up here. So nice thing about long, it's already in that form that you needed. 2x plus 5 plus fraction 2 over 4x plus 9. Alright, 10. This one's going to be best done with long division. So top n, and it does look like we're missing some terms this time, so we're going to need some placeholders. X to the 4th. And then I need 0, x to the 3rd. And then 0x squared. We have our 2x and then 8. Alright, so we got everything. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Alright, and on the bottom, they're not missing anything, so the bottom goes outside. So x squared, 3x, and 6. Focus on the first term. The coefficients are already the same at 1. So x squared, we need 4. So we want another 2 of them. X squared is our first term. X squared times each of these. So we're basically going to be just adding 2 x's to each term. So give us x to the 4th. 3x cubed. 6x squared. They're all positive, but when we change signs, they will become negative to subtract. That cancels. Negative 3x cubed minus 6x squared, and then bring down the 2x. Alright, now we want the x squared to match the negative 3x cubed. So we need a negative 3 on the front. So minus 3, and then times x, because we got 2, we need 1 more. So we have x here. We're going to multiply. It's going to give us a negative 3x cubed. This will give us a negative 9x squared. And then negative 3 and 6 will give us a negative 18x. Alright, change signs. Combine, that cancels. That is 3x squared. That gives you 20x. And then you bring down the next term, which will be a positive 8. Alright, last we want 3x squared and x squared to match, so you just need to multiply by 3 positive. So 3 will give us 3x squared. That will give us 9x. And 3 times 6 will give us 18. All positive, but we change signs so it becomes negative, negative, negative. Alright, that cancels. This gives us 11x positive. And this gives us a negative 10. So this is our remainder. Since the first term is positive, I'm going to say plus 11x minus 10 over our divisor, which is the x squared plus 3x plus 6. Okay. That was a pretty long one. So we have x squared minus 3x plus 3, and then plus fraction 11x minus 10, and then we have x squared plus 3x. Gotta move down, plus 3x, and then plus 6.